Welcome to Activate IV and Cryotherapy. We offer IV hydration, cryotherapy, infrared sauna, red light therapy, cryo skin, compression, Mark Pro, and IM injections. IV therapy is best for overall hydration, recovery for athletes, and coming off of a sickness. We have several IVs, including a hangover cure, a flu relief bag, an athletic drip, and even an overall wellness bag. We also have a private room in all of our locations that's best if you're feeling under the weather or just need some privacy. You can even get hydrated on the go with us through our mobile IV services, where we bring the hydration to you. Cryotherapy is highly effective to target inflammation, arthritis, collagen production, muscle recovery, and many other symptoms. You're in our chamber for whole body cryotherapy for 3 minutes. It lowers your body temperature and produces freshly oxygenated blood. In addition to our whole body cryotherapy, we also offer localized cryotherapy that's for one targeted spot. This is a one-stop shop for athletes because we have Normatec compression, which is perfect for muscle soreness. We have cryotherapy, which is also good for muscle soreness and any inflammation. We have oxygen and IV therapy that's just great for overall recovery. And several other of our services are perfect for any athlete. We currently have 3 locations in Cumming and Alpharetta, Georgia, as well as Lakeland, Tennessee, with additional stores coming soon. Come chill with us at Activate so we can help you relax, refuel, and restore. For more information, you can visit stationhydration.com.